In this video, we'll show you how to use Search and Status for Iowa One Call. Search and Status allows you to search for and view locate requests that have been submitted to Iowa One Call. The most direct method for viewing your ticket is a search by ticket number. If you know the ticket number in question, enter it in the ticket number field. Then click Search. You will then be presented with the ticket in its entirety. To view the status of your ticket, click the View Status button in the upper right corner of the screen. This list will contain any responses that have been posted by the facility operators who received your locate request. If you do not have your ticket number, you can run a detailed search. To run a detailed search, you will first need to specify a date range. Be sure to enter the date range in the format shown, with 2 digits for month, 2 digits for day, and 4 digits for year. This will narrow your search results to tickets that were submitted during this date range. Next, you will need to specify your primary search criteria. You have a number of options. Clicking the Search button will then bring up a list of all tickets matching your search criteria. If your search yields too many results, you can further narrow your search results by adding additional search criteria. If only one ticket matches your search criteria, clicking the Search button will bring up that specific ticket. That's all there is to it.